Ever feel like your fire is gone out? You're not lazy, you're not weak, your body's in survival mode. Testosterone tanked, energy shot, and sex drive gone, and you're left grinding through life on fumes. But here's what no one tells you. There's a system inside your body, the command chain, and if you triggered right, you don't just boost testosterone, you flip the switch back to dominance mode. Stay with me, because in this video, you'll see exactly how your body produces testosterone, how you're silently screwing up, and how to flip back the signal in your favor, naturally. The hypothalamic pituitary gonadal axis. Fancy name, simple function. Step 1 of the whole process is the hypothalamus releases kisspeptin, which then binds to kiss receptors, which are on our GnRH neurons in our hypothalamus. Step 3 is GnRH yells at the pituitary to release LH. Step 4, LH travels to the testes and flips on the testosterone switch. Every T-booster we've heard of plays somewhere in this axis. Get this chain firing clean and your body does the rest. Kisspeptin is like your body's reproduction green light and is controlled by two things: your circadian rhythm, your energy availability. Screw either of those up, kisspeptin shuts down. GnRH drops, LH drops, and boom, testosterone flatlines. Your hypothalamus runs on light signals. Sunlight, that's your body's natural go switch. Screens at midnight, that's your body's fuck no signal. Fix it. Morning sun in your eyes. Watch the damn sunset, it's beautiful. Kill the blue light at night. No late night TikToks. Just go to bed, please. Do yourself a favor. Here's where it gets wild. There's certain rays in the sun, and there's a certain ray called UVB, which only hits you at midday. Now the thing with UVB is, when UV hits your skin, you release POMC, which turns into alpha MSH. Alpha MSH hits receptors in your brain, and guess what? Kisspeptin lights up a Christmas tree. That means more GnRH, more LH, more testosterone, more energy, more libido, and more life. Morning sunlight on your face, and if possible, shirtless walks at noon. No sunlight, no sunscreen. But don't burn yourself, and don't block it altogether. Sunlight literally tells your body to start thriving. Leptin is your body's fuel gauge. Leptin gets produced from white fat cells, which just means you have to have good fat. When you have brown fat, that's even better, because it has a hypothermic effect, which means you'll burn a bit more calories. But that's off topic, that might be another video. Leptin is your body's fuel gauge. Too little fat, low leptin. Too much fat, that means you get insensitive to leptin and you'll have hunger, a lot of it. And it basically tells your body that you're still hungry, even though you aren't. That means your whole hormone system is fucked. That's why being fat is not a good thing. That means kisspeptin turns off and testosterone production drops. Now here's what you need to do to have perfect optimized levels. Stay at 10 to 15% body fat, eat enough, but don't overdo it. Lift heavy, move daily, and get lean the smart way. That means eating 10 to 20% below maintenance. So a slight deficit, not a crazy one. And don't do any crash diets. What can help is intermittent fasting. GnRH is made in hypothalamus and controls LH, but its rhythm is fragile. GnRH dies when cortisol is high all the time. That means you're chronically stressed, you're underweight or obese. That means bye-bye leptin. And if you've got hyperlactin or estrogen, which are also the causes for man boobs. Keep prolactin low, vitamin B6 or P5P, dopamine boost, and less stress. How to keep estrogen low. Lean your body, avoid plastics, and eat cruciferous veggies. And fix your circadian rhythm. That means get the right sunlight in, avoid bright lights and blue light at sleeping time. Fix your sleep. That means go to bed on the right times and always go around the same time to bed. And you need to have right meal timing, because when you eat tells you when energy is available, and that means it tells you when it's time to lower your energy because your energy is lower. That means lower hormones, and it's time to produce melanin, which will help you go to sleep. And dopamine, well, it helps regulate GnRH too. So lift heavy, smash goals, and celebrate wins. You ever notice how the guy who just got promoted walks different, talks different? His GnRH just got a boost, and testosterone followed. Biology rewards dominance. Even in the animals kingdom, we found that animals higher up in the hierarchy have higher GnRH, which means to also have higher testosterone. Becoming a boss, or even your own boss, changes biology. The higher you rise, the more your brain says, let's make more testosterone. Now we're at the trigger that actually flips testosterone production on. LH hits your Leydig cells. They take cholesterol, run it through enzymes, and out comes testosterone. Something you can remember is good LH, healthy testes, means high testosterone. Now how do you boost LH? Protein from animal sources, eggs, and enough calories. Some micronutrients like zinc, B6, magnesium, or chromium. A low body fat, good insulin sensitivity, that means no sugar binges, training hard, and walking, and also possibly intermittent fasting, since it can help with insulin sensitivity. Have good sleep, sleep around 7 to 9 hours, and have low stress. Have the right foods for high testosterone. Your pituitary thanks you. Oysters are really good. They are overloaded with zinc. Garlic increases LH and testicular enzymes. Onions give you more LH and a better blood flow. Ashwagandha lowers cortisol and gives you higher LH. D-aspartic acid might work for some guys as well. Now here are some action steps. You're not broken. You're just sending the wrong signals. Fix those signals and your body responds instantly. Now here's a little recap. Fix your sleep and circadian rhythm. Get sun on your skin and eyes. Eat protein, fat, and micronutrients. Train smart, but don't overdo it. Don't overtrain. Stay lean, but not shredded. Block out stress like it's poison. Cut out plastic and seed oils. Win more, lead more, and be more. If you want a part 2 breakdown on the Leydig cell optimization, drop a comment and let me know. Smash that like button, hit subscribe, get some damn sunlight. Go outside, touch some grass. Your body is waiting to turn on again.